Alright, welcome back to Job blog job. Hope everybody's doing good today. Today's Saturday, March 16th. I don't know where this year's going, it's already flying, man. Fucking already 3.5 months into the fucking year. Crazy. Time's flying. They need to slow the clock down for us, guys. Shit. I didn't do no recording yesterday. I put a video out fucking Thursday. But yesterday, like I showed you guys, it snowed. This place back here was a fucking bloody mess. Bloody mess. Looked like that right there. Except everywhere. So we didn't really do much tracking in and out. We didn't do much of anything. So anyway, but today I'm finishing up on this fucking fender. I'm gonna try to get finished up on it, at least get in shape. So anyway, I thought I'd fucking bring you back to where you're at here, and we'll go from there. I'll when I get some more done on that, I'll bring you guys back. So anyway, enjoy. We'll see you in a few. Well, Mr. Large, welcome back to Chopper Block Job, y'all. But Mr. Large, there's the train. It's a big one too. Had 6 motors in the front, 3 motors in the center. It's been running for about fucking 10 minutes, I think. Crazy. There it goes. All right. Well, Mr. Slick, it's warming up. I can wear his shirt today, okay, bro? So I fucking did. I finally got it out and got to wear it. Got a mess out here. Working on the truck today, so we're not doing. Alright, guys, I'm back now. Damn battery went dead. Like I was saying, no, Rick. Mr. Slick. Slickhead Customs. Look, I got your shirt on, sir. I tried to catch you with the train, but I gotta have somebody else come fucking help me record, because it just sucks when you're recording by yourself, and there's a lot of things you can't do and can't get at because you got the camera in your hand. So anyway, that's where we're at today. I wanted to give a big thank you to all my new subscribers. We're up to 455. I'm so fucking proud of that, man. Thank you guys so much. We love all you guys, man, for fucking just taking the time to hit that subscribe button. That's way cool. We're gonna try to get some more content out here. Last couple days I've been working on the fucking trucks, trying to get it fucking running and shit, but I got problems with it. I'm not even gonna get into it right now, but that's a whole different subject. But anyway, I wanted to thank everybody for all my fucking comments. You guys are awesome. Thank you. Appreciate it. Fucking but this is where we're at. Shop's still the same. Did get some bolts ordered for that. They should be here in a couple days. Hopefully I can change out these handlebars. You guys fucking picked apes, so we're gonna go with apes. But me and Mr. Massey are the ones that chose drag bars, so I think we'll go with the apes because that's what you guys wanted. But at the same time, I'm gonna see if I can't get small set drag bars and fucking try them too. So we'll try a couple different experiments on that. So anyway, today's Hell, I'm not even sure. I think today's Tuesday, March 19th. I think that's what it is. It's like 51 degrees with no wind. That's why it's nice. No wind. Like we've had, I bet, 80, 90 mile an hour winds off and on for the last fucking month. It's been crazy. You can tell by my yard. Fucking wind just kind of destroyed it with that little asshole right there. Yeah, it's him, the yard destroyer. Boy, he's sure been coming around good here. He's growing up. You can tell he's growing up. He's getting better. Anyway, I'm gonna let you guys go. I'll fucking talk to you soon. I'll bring you back as soon as I get something going. So, enjoy! Welcome back to Texas Chopper Blog Chop Chop. Today it's Friday, March 22nd. It's about 43 degrees. Small wind. Fucking beautiful though, really. Beautiful day. Mr. Large, you got your long train today, man. That's a big one. There it goes. There's the end of it. So yeah, I haven't gotten much done to fucking lately. Fucking weather now all. Mr. Panhead. Grand appearance of Mr. Panhead. So I think maybe I might have figured out my fucking problem with this fucking truck starting. Now we're gonna see how it acts now. I just replaced the starter again. And I guess that's, we'll see how it's gonna fucking start. Well, shit. Sounded like it did when I first got the truck. Oh, cool. I never had a problem with replacing fucking the starter as long as you knew the teeth on your flywheel. And most all stock Chevys are 100, either 164 or 168 tooth. I believe 164 tooth is for the fucking manual stick shifts, and I believe 168 tooth is for the automatics. Well, I went down to O'Reilly's and I got a starter from them because my other one during the cold weather it fucking broke the fucking Bendix gear, like shattered the Bendix gear. It was so cold it shattered the Bendix gear to start my truck. So after fucking replacing it with a brand new fucking starter, it never lined up right. The teeth never lined up right. I don't care, I put almost an inch of fucking shims in it. I mean, we're talking inch, and we're only supposed to be dealing with thousandths. Panhead, back up now. I know you're just fucking happy to see everybody. Him haven't been on YouTube for a little bit, so him all happy, I think. Anyway, so I shimmed it, I did everything I fucking could with that damn starter. And the other day, I got mad because the Bendix gear was actually wedging in between the teeth. That's why I wouldn't start, go in there and wedge, and it wouldn't allow itself to kick back. So I fucking took the starter off, took it back down there, told them about it. They exchanged it with a brand new one, which was way cool on O'Reilly's part. I appreciate that. They didn't ask no questions, nothing. They just, here you go, replaced it. That was way cool. I come home and I'm thinking, well, fuck, should I put half the shims in it or a quarter of the shims in it? So I kept trying to fight with it to get the fucking shims up. I couldn't get the shims up to go in there with it. So finally I just got mad and said fuck it and put the fucking starter in without any shims, and holy shit, it's like brand new starter. Didn't need no shims. So I'm pretty sure on that last starter when they were fucking rebuilding them, they got the Bendix gear switch with the fucking stick shift to an automatic, and the teeth are totally different than that. They're much thicker. So anyway, that's where we're at today. I got some other things. I got to run a couple errands, and I'm gonna come back, try to at least, I had to order the bolts. I'll show you guys what I'm talking about real quick, so don't think I'm fucking jiving you, bullshitting you. But the bolts, oh, alright Slick, now I'm pulling one of your tricks. I can't find shit. Oh, it was just right here. Let me look over here real quick. Hang them up. Oh shit, that's gonna bug me now till I find them. Anyway, this is the bolt that fucking fits them risers, and I need to get a bolt like that, but fucking one about fucking 1.5 inches, so that it'll go up through here like that. Yeah, that's about fucking right, 1.5 inches. Oh well, I got a phone call. Probably my brother Jim calling me back. So, yep, it is. I'll let you guys go. See you later. Enjoy! Alright. Welcome back to Texas Chopper Blog Chop Chop Blog Chop. Well, I apologize for that. Damn fucking GoPro batteries, man. I don't know, I just can't keep them fucking charged, it seems like. They're fucking old though, so one of these days, maybe someday. Anyway, I wanted to fucking, well, I guess we're gonna be fucking bugged by this guy. I don't know what he's doing, but go on. Hey, go. Go. Anyway, I'm back. Hopefully for a minute. Hopefully the battery will stay charged long enough for me to make this out. If there's any kids out there seeing, don't ever take this fucking habit up. Hopefully I can quit one of these days soon. But I don't know about that. Anyway, I wanted to give my shout outs to fucking Shovelhead Nation, Chopper Nation, Bagger Nation, Two Wheel Nation, Navajo Nation, Slut Nation, Left Hand Motor Nation, Massey Nation, Slickhead Custom Nation, Sketchy Hippie Chopper Nation. I don't know why I keep getting that mixed up there, hippie. Apologize. Fucking Navajo Nation. If I forgot anybody, man, please comment. Fucking leave a comment and I will fucking make a shout out on my next one. So, but today's still Friday, fucking, I believe March 22nd. Fucking, it was a nice day. It's a little chilly now. It's like 6 o'clock. I'm getting ready to call it an evening. I was gonna bring you guys back. So, what I'm gonna do is, while I'm waiting on the bolts to fucking that I ordered for the fucking ape hangers, I'm gonna go ahead and stick them ones on there, so that I can get it moved around, maybe get it started and stuff, fucking, and kind of get an idea, see if I'm gonna like that. But anyway, that's where we're at. I'm gonna try to get this out tonight, because I don't think I've gotten a video out for a week. And I was gonna try to stay up on my videos twice a week, but you ain't got a lot of content, and you're doing other shit at the house instead of bike shit or car shit or women shit. And it just doesn't make it very easy to fucking record. But this place is packed tonight. Big time packed. Hopefully, I think we got that fixed. I gotta find me a set of fucking rims. Because in 78 they came out with 16.5-inch rims, and they don't even make fucking 16.5-inch tires or anything anymore. Not fucking truck tires anyway. You can get them in a trailer house, but that's not drive tires. That's just pulling tires. Anyway, shop's a little smoky. Fucking fireplace fucking needed cleaned out, I guess. So I got that cleaned out. Got some wood chopped for tomorrow. It's supposed to fucking it's supposed to be 55 here tomorrow, but then Sunday is supposed to drop back down to fucking 34, 35, something like that. Maybe even lower than that. I don't know. So we had to build us a little fire in here tonight. But I'm about ready to call it an evening, go upstairs and fucking get things ready for fucking dinner. So anyway, that's where we're at. And I wanted to thank all you guys, all the new subscribers, man. We're up to 456. I just need 44 new subscribers to hit 500. So please, thank you for liking and subscribing and sharing this. It has helped out a lot. So I appreciate it, guys. Fucking, and we're still working on the Dyna. I almost got this fender about knocked out, so probably next couple days or whatever, I'm gonna have to finish welding that up and get that taken care of. And I gotta get the fucking that fuel pump put back on that big block. I got a bunch of shit I'm trying to get done. I need to get that little Escort brought back up here and fucking add some more tranny fluid, because it must have leaked out or something. The reverse went out. It's got all 4 gears, or all 5 forward gears, but no reverse, so it's just because it's low on fluid. Anyway, I'll get that done, and then I want to get this 327. I want to change the intake manifold, put a 4-barrel on it. It's just got a little 2-barrel on it now. That's a good running fucking little motor though. It's the engine code on that's from 1955 to 1963. It's got the camelback heads and everything. It's a small journal 327. So I fucking I love it, man. Fucking sounds good too. So anyway, I'm gonna get that fucking running, try to get that going. And I gotta get that over here. My fucking brother, he's gotta leave town, but he said when he gets back, we're gonna yank that out and fucking start getting on it. So hopefully, Jim, I know you ain't watching my videos because you never watch them. You fucking hate YouTube. So anyway, that's all of that. We love you guys. Thank you all for fucking subscribing and liking and sharing, man. It has helped a lot, so I appreciate it. We're gonna get back on the fucking shovelhead tomorrow. I think I'll get that put back together, and then I'll start the fucking Ford. So anyway, enjoy.